This is a project number 5 of our CSS mastery series, and I am really excited that we are bringing more and more content to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. As usual, we have just put this boilerplate stuff. Here we are including the font awesome because we will use it for social media icons. Here we are linking our custom style sheet. We have this universal resetting, setting the font size, setting our initial font family, font size and background color. And this is only the container, and this is just like the height is 100 px, display flags, align item center, justify content center. What it is doing is just aligning the items in the middle of the screen. So the first thing is container. Inside container we have this teammate. Inside teammates we have two elements. The first one is image. I'm just calling it teammate element avatar. So this is a BEM methodology that I am following. If you don't know about BEM, so don't worry, it's just a methodology, a way of writing the class naming conventions. Teammate details, and inside teammate details we have two things, which is the one thing is teammate bio. Inside teammate bio we have teammate name, and span teammate title, or I'm calling it designation. In details we have teammate media. The media is just the social icons. Social, here is another component that we are creating. This is our first component, and inside that we are creating another component which is social link ab.fa Facebook, and I'm calling it social icon. This is the first icon. I'm just putting the icon for Twitter and Instagram. So this is the output. Now in our CSS section we can call the teammate and assign the value which is maximum width to 35 rem, which is 350 pixels, because we are resetting it here to 1 rem equal to 10 pixels. Then we need to add 100% display flex direction column. Now we need to call the teammate avatar. The avatar is this one. We need to add border radius 1.2 rem. For the teammate details, background color white and padding 1.8 rem. Border radius 0.8 rem, which is 8 pixels. Display flex. Now we need some space between. Justify content space between. Now we need effective for overlapping. For that purpose, what we can do here is add the margin top to -2 rem. So I want this image at the top of this box. So what I can do is just need the z index 2, and this will resolve the issue. Yeah. Now in order to resolve this spacing issue, what we can do here is just add the padding top or rem. This should resolve our issue. Now the next thing is teammate media. Teammate media is this one. So first we need to align them side by side. For this purpose I'm just adding flex. The social link. In order to style the social link, so what I'm about to add here is height 3 rem and width 3 rem, which is 30 pixels, and display flex center, background color. Okay, so the border radius 100%, The reason why I put the display flex is because I want them into the center of the circle. So what are the possibilities? I can add justify content center. This will center align the things, and then in vertical direction align item center. The next thing is that we need to tackle is the underline. I do not want any underline. Text decoration, none. So there is no underline. And then color, I want color, the same one is this one. And for this background color, I can select the color from this palette, and I'm just setting it like RGBA and setting its value to this. So this is very light. I can that is great. Now we need this margin by utilizing the node selector. If you don't know about the node selector, I will put the link to the description. So last child, I'm just saying that select all the social element except the last child. I'm adding margin right, which is 1 rem. So yeah, it's working fine. Then the last thing is this box shadow. I will add the box shadow in the teammate 0. On the bottom is the case like X and Y in direction 1 rem, and the second one is 1 rem, which is if you don't know about it, the first one consider as X direction, the second one is considered as Y direction, the third one is the blur radius, and the fourth one is the spread radius. And then I'm just adding 0 0 0 0.8. so this will add the effect of box shadow bottom. If you don't know about box shadows, I have created a complete guide which you can check on our blog corejamp.com. This is the final thing that we wanted. Now you can utilize it in your portfolio, utilize it in your any of the website, like the author image, like the team section, wherever you want. I guess this is enough for now. I will see you in the next one.